Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got the new iPhone 12 mini in 128 gigabytes. This is the black version. I also got the iPhone 12 the leather case to come with it. And yeah, the reason that I'm so excited about this phone is because it's a small phone with a lot of power. You know, they haven't made a phone this small with flagship specs. And I also had the phone I had previously is the iPhone the Max, X the 10s Max, which is a way bigger phone already. You can tell the phone itself is bigger than the box it comes with. So I'm really excited about this small form factor with a lot of power. And so got the case. We'll unbox this after. Try it on. Just leave that to the side right there, and just get right into it, man. Everybody can see. Remember, the box is like half the size now because there's no brick. The USB brick. They decided not to put it this year, so that's that. But let's get into the unboxing. Alright, put that out the way. Let's put that to the side. Nice. Looks good. The camera imprint. Wow. Looks really small. Oh, it is really small. Oh, it's so tiny in my hands. But it's like a good, I don't know, it's a good grip. I feel like I'm not going to lose grip of it. Especially with the new rounded corners. I really like this new design because it's reminiscent of the iPad Pro the iPad Pro design. But also the iPhones, the iPhone 4 and 5. And that, to be honest, that design to me is better looking. It just looks more better. That's why when the iPad Pro came out, the design on it looked really good too. And it's basically the same thing. So this is nice, man. Two cameras. Really, you can already see with the Apple logo. Fingerprints all over, but a case will just do that. Very small. Right, let's take this off. As you can see there, I don't know if you can see, has the buttons to tell you what they do, which basic power, volume down, up, switch, ringer. Yeah, let's get into it. There it is. There's that. You can see what I'm recording with right there. But let's toss that to the side. And yeah, just put this to the side right now too. See what we get. As you see, there's no power brick, just the cable, small box, small paperwork, and that's it. Oh, SIM tool. Put that to the side. And Apple sticker. Well, one Apple sticker. And this cable. This is a lot of people switching to this phone might need to buy a new brick too, because this is a USB Type C to Lightning brick, not your regular USB A. But so you would have to waste more money to buy a brick. But see, Lightning standard. But if you would buy the brick, I wouldn't recommend buying the Apple one. I recommend buying this third party Anker one. I bought it. It's really good. 20 watt, same thing as the Apple one, but just a lot smaller and the same form factor as the normal one, but it's USB Type C, as you can see. But yeah, let's get back into the video. Let's put this cable to the side. Alright, as you can see, there's the phone. Let's get my phone out for comparison. My phone, of course, has a case on it, but I have a dbrand skin on it on the side. It's pretty ugly, so I don't want to take out the case. But this is it. As you can see how small it is. It fits in the screen of my other phone, which a lot of people might think it's weird that I'm going to a big phone to a small phone, but I honestly really like this small form factor. As soon as I saw they were making this phone, I knew I wanted it because it's so small, or at least it's powerful small. Let's get into the unboxing. Let's unbox this case. Kind of expensive for a case, but it is what it is. It's Apple. Standard regular case, leather. Alright, put this. Hold on. Put that right there. Don't wanna. And then, alright, feels good. Feels soft to the touch. Doesn't feel. Feels like good quality. As you can see, this year they added the full thing. The previous cases had like a cutout all the way this, but now it's like full leather and just cutouts for the imports and speakers. You can see the buttons. The buttons are actually like, they're metal. I don't know if you can hear that with my hitting my nail, but they're like high quality buttons. They're not just like mushy. They're pretty metal. But yeah, guess it's fit into the case. I think I have a microcloth right here just to clean it up real quick before I put it in the case, so it won't have all those fingerprints. Right, see how it fits. Oh wait, actually turn it on because I know that has that one MagSafe accessory. Has that MagSafe accessory animation when you put on MagSafe accessories on. But as you can see, the Apple logo. This is the MagSafe leather MagSafe thing. See the magnets are right there. This little thing. Low, high. Let's see if it shows it right here. Oh, I don't know, you heard it, but I think I might have. I locked the phone when I put it in. So let's see if you can hear that again. Hold on. Wow, that was kind of hard to take off. Okay. All right, let's see it again. Let's actually see it this time. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that time I locked my phone by accident, but yeah, let's get it, set it up. It's like, I don't know, it feels really good. I currently have no problem touching the display. This phone, I'm always like, I gotta make a whole hand gesture, climb up, climb down, climb up. I don't gotta do anything with this. Quick start. All right, let's do that quick start. There you go. This is why the Apple ecosystem, man. That's what it is. Everything's just low smoothie. Enter your password of your other phone. All right, I'm gonna do that real quick. All right. Oh, my bad. It's not on focus. All right. There you go. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. All right. Well, I guess while that's activating, this is the case with my case. 2 phone cases. This is the iPhone XS Max, and my phone, the mini fits perfectly inside the display. All right, let me set up this. Face ID. All right, Face ID is all set up. See how the buttons feel. Ooh, buttons feel good. But some buttons, in some cases, feel like ugly. It's mushy. Like you have to press them extra hard. These feel kind of good buttons. In case feels good too. I don't know if you could tell, but the case, it has a lip still, but you could still see the chassis of the outer edge, the color chassis out of the outer edge of the iPhone. You can't really tell on mine just because it's black on black, but it would have a different color iPhone. You'd probably be able to see the borders, which is pretty cool, I guess. Looks cool. Just next, yeah, good cutouts. See, speaker grills, iPhone charge. Let's see if this is this big enough? Yeah, I guess if you had no nails, it'd be kind of harder, even harder. Let's continue. Agree. Okay, while I waited to update the new software update, I got this screen protector, Spigen. I'm gonna just put this on there. Might be a time lapse, or depending on how fast I do it. Hit him one more time with the animation. Alright guys, basically done with the thing. to transfer. Basically copies everything on your phone. As you can see, it makes it identical, so you could easily see what it is and just waiting for this download. You can see, and everything's just a lot more smaller, more cooler, but I honestly like it a lot more. This is way more compact. It's super powerful for the size. There's nothing different besides the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12. Nothing different at all. It's just a smaller phone, smaller, and I guess smaller, and pretty much a smaller battery, because, well, smaller phone, smaller battery, but everything else the same screen, same everything. Screen looks wonderful. Yeah, can't really complain about the size. If you want me to drop a review, leave a like, comment down below. But that's all for the video. Got the leather case thing, glass cover and everything. So if leave a like, please leave a like, subscribe, and peace.